They were sons, fathers, and dreamers, frozen in time in the unforgiving lens of history. These images whisper of courage, heartbreak, and hope that refuse to die. Each face holds a story the world has almost forgotten. Stay until the end. Their haunting eyes could change our view of freedom forever. I would love to hear from you which image caught your eye. Let's start. Petersburg, Virginia, Group of Company D, U.S. Engineer Battalion. Beneath the smoky skies of Petersburg, these men of Company D posed briefly before returning to the endless work of war, building bridges, trenches, and fortifications that swallowed their youth. Their eyes, weary yet determined, speak of duty that demanded everything. Few of them would see peace again, but their labor shaped the very ground where freedom's fate was decided. African American Civil War Soldiers, 1865, Petersburg. In 1865, at Petersburg, these African American soldiers stood as living proof of courage denied for centuries. Wearing Union blue, they carried not only rifles but the weight of generations who had known only bondage. Their march was more than a military act, it was a declaration of humanity. Through fire and blood, they helped redefine what freedom truly meant in America. Unidentified African American soldier with wife and daughters. This nameless soldier, captured forever beside his family, symbolizes countless men who left home for a war that promised liberty. His uniform bore pride, his gaze, quiet strength. His wife's hands rest protectively on their daughters, a fleeting moment before separation. History does not record his fate, but in their faces, we see love's unspoken sacrifice. Ringgold Battery on Drill, 1865. The thunder of artillery drills echoed across fields of exhaustion and determination. The men of the Ringgold Battery prepared day after day, their hands blistered from cannon wheels and powder charges. Though this moment seems orderly, every drill carried the knowledge that tomorrow's fire might be their last. Their discipline became both their shield and their silent prayer. Soldiers at Rest After Drill, Petersburg, 1864. These soldiers rest upon the hard earth of Petersburg, their faces etched with fatigue deeper than any trench. Between battles, they found small pockets of humanity, a meal, a story, a song. But behind every laugh lingered the dread of dawn. Their stillness reminds us that war's quiet moments were often its most haunting. Portrait of a Confederate Soldier. Captured in his finest uniform, this Confederate soldier embodies the pride and sorrow of a fractured nation. The photographer's lens froze a man whose beliefs, like his country, stood on shifting ground. His youthful confidence cannot hide the shadows of doubt behind his eyes, the look of someone who already senses how dearly history will judge his cause. Company 170th New York Infantry, 1861 to 1865. They came from crowded streets and foreign ports, young men answering Lincoln's call. The 170th New York Infantry, Irish sons, factory workers, immigrants, now stood together as Americans. This photograph captures their unity before years of mud, hunger, and death would test it. Many would never return, but their sacrifice stitched their names into the nation's rebirth. Ludwig Kohn, August 15, 1865. Ludwig Kohn's portrait was taken in the war's dying summer. His uniform still crisp, his posture resolute, but his eyes reveal what he's seen, the torn fields, the comrades lost. He survived the fighting, but like so many, he carried the war within him. Peace came at a price too high for one lifetime to repay. Camp of 44th New York Infantry near Alexandria, Virginia, circa 1860 to 1865. In the weary sprawl of tents near Alexandria, the 44th New York found brief moments of normalcy. Campfires flickered against the night as letters were read, songs were hummed, and prayers whispered. Yet every man knew the fragility of this calm. These camps were both refuge and reminder, resting places for bodies that might soon never rise again. Unidentified African American Union soldier with rifle and revolver. This man, nameless in history's records, stands armed and resolute, a symbol of courage reclaimed. Once denied the right to bear arms or even his own name, he now defends the Union that promises equality. His stance tells the story of countless forgotten heroes who fought not just for victory, but for the right to stand as men. Pine Cottage, Soldiers' Winter Quarters, 1863. In the bitter cold of 1863, soldiers built humble shelters they called pine cottages. These log huts offered a rare touch of warmth amid the long winter campaigns. Inside, men shared stories, letters, and laughter to forget the echoes of battle. Though temporary, these cabins became their only sense of home in a world that had forgotten peace. Unidentified soldier in Confederate uniform, Craig's Rifles. This young soldier of Craig's Rifles stands proud in his uniform, a face full of determination and youth. His eyes reveal the innocence of a generation drawn into a cause larger than themselves. Whether he returned home or vanished into memory, his portrait endures, a quiet reminder of how deeply the war reached into every family and every heart. Union drummer boy John Clem, Tennessee, 1863. At just 12 years old, John Clem carried not a rifle, but a drum. His courage on the battlefield made him a living legend among Union troops. In this photo, he seems almost too small for the uniform, yet his bravery inspired thousands. Clem's story reminds us that even the youngest found themselves called to serve in a divided land. Fallen soldiers after the Battle of Antietam, 1862. After the smoke of Antietam cleared, silence blanketed the fields where brave men had stood hours before. The photograph records the heavy cost of a single day, lives ended in the struggle for a nation's future. Though their names are lost, their courage remains etched into history, reminding generations of the price paid for unity and freedom. Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, 3 Confederate prisoners. Captured at Gettysburg, these 3 Confederate soldiers stand weary but alive. Their faces show both defiance and exhaustion, young men suddenly reminded of their own humanity. The camera catches the stillness between conflict and surrender, a rare glimpse into the moment when war stripped away ideology, leaving only the shared desire to see home again. Union soldiers entrenched at Fredericksburg, May 1863. Along the muddy banks of the Rappahannock River, these Union soldiers waited behind earthworks, listening for the thunder of distant guns. Their trench was both shield and prison. In this tense calm, they faced hours of uncertainty before the next command. Each face reflects the courage of those who endured the waiting, the unseen battle that tested every heart. Nurse and Belle caring for the wounded. In the midst of hardship, compassion found its place through women like Belle. Surrounded by the chaos of war, she tended to the wounded with unwavering grace. Her gentle hands and quiet strength saved lives and restored hope. This image honors the silent heroes whose mercy shone brightest when the world around them was at its darkest. Guarding Confederate prisoners, camp scene. At a guarded camp, Union soldiers watched over captured Confederate troops. The photograph shows discipline rather than cruelty, men on both sides simply following duty. The air was heavy with fatigue, not hatred. In this uneasy peace, they shared glances that spoke more of survival than enmity, proof that humanity endured even through the harsh lines of war. Soldier fallen during the Siege of Petersburg, April 1865. The Siege of Petersburg marked the final chapter of a long and weary war. Among the broken earth lay soldiers who had given everything for their cause. This image captures not defeat, but devotion, the willingness to stand until the end. Their sacrifice became part of the foundation on which a reunited nation would eventually rise. Unlisted image placeholder. This missing photograph is a symbol of countless untold stories, men whose names and faces vanished from records, yet whose courage shaped history. Not every hero was captured on film, but their presence lingers in every field and forgotten letter. The silence of this missing image speaks louder than words, a tribute to the unseen and unremembered. These faces have spoken for a century, reminding us that freedom was bought with both hardship and purpose. If their stories move you, honor their memory, like, share, and subscribe to Antique Visions to keep history alive. Join us again as we uncover lost echoes of America's past.